Modern relationships aren't broken. People are just confused, tired, and scared. Everyone wants connection, but they are afraid of intimacy. They want to be seen, just not to seen. So they get close, then pull away. Then they talk, then disappear. Not because they don't care, but because they didn't know how to handle what they feel. A lot of people think distance means maturity, when really it's just avoidance. We live in time where everyone wants peace, but no one wants the pain that might come with it. So relationships stay half-built. Not because love isn't there, but because staying takes courage.